Good morning everyone, hope you guys doing very well. In last video I have told something that I got some gift pack from Infosys. It might be a welcome kit or it might be a 25-year celebration kit, so I don't know what exactly, so let's do unbox it. So it will be totally uncut video because I don't know what it's inside, so let's do it. Okay, you can see this box. I got this box today. Not today, I got it from I think 10 days back. So I went to the village and today I came back. So let's do unbox here and see what's there inside it. Okay guys, let's do unbox here. And I have this, I don't have the knife, so I have this key today and we'll do open it here. Just a second. So here I have to start it. Okay, it's a nice box inside it. Oh, welcome to exciting time ahead. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. When you share your post on social media, don't forget to use hashtag #InfiDiaries. Wow, nice. We'll update it. We'll post it. Okay, let's say what inside it. Okay, I got this box. It's pretty nice. Welcome abroad. Okay, let's open it. Wow. What's there in it? Okay, one pane is there. Infosys navigate your next. I think it's a welcome kit. It's not a 25 years, maybe, I don't know. Infosys, one pane they are giving. What else? Oh, that is one card keeping. You have to put your cards. Okay, nice one. Okay, this is water bottle. Yeah, very small one. I think it will be XT design registered, made in China. Made in responsible in China. Wow. They just add something made responsible in China. What nonsense. This is just what. Otherwise you can put, I think you can put teacup here also if needed. Then what else? What strategy? What is it? Is magical experience. Let's open it. This. Okay, let's open it in the last. Let's see what else more. I think one more diary is there. Yeah, it's a notebook. Pretty good. And what else? Yeah, nothing. I think box is finished right now. Then let's see. Okay, they just give I think something card. Welcome abroad. And okay, let's keep this box aside and let's see what it is. Maybe it's a uh, okay. Got it. If you want to play this, this, this. I saw this in some videos. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice, cool. They are giving this one, one notebook, one pen, and this. Let's put here, and this, and this. Not bad, it's very nice. Okay, thank you infosys, and I think okay, thank you for watching this video, and never ever whatever, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.